Are you tired of the default template for the toString method in Android Studio? You're not alone. Today, we're going to show you how to change that template to better suit your needs. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when the default settings just don't cut it. Many developers face this issue, and it can really slow down your workflow. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, how can I change the template for generating the toString method in Android Studio 2.3? If you've been wondering the same thing, you're in the right place. So, why would you want to change the toString template? The default template might not include all the fields you want, or it might not format them the way you prefer. Customizing it can make your code cleaner and more readable. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to make your coding experience even smoother. To change the template for the toString method in Android Studio, the user should first open the Settings menu. This can be done by navigating to the File menu and selecting Settings. Next, the user needs to locate the Code Style section. In the Settings window, they should expand the Editor section and click on Code Style. Once in the Code Style section, the user should select the language they are working with, such as Java. This will allow them to customize the templates for that specific language. Now, the user should find the Code Generation tab. Here they can see the template for the toString method. The user can modify this template to fit their needs. Finally, after making the desired changes, the user should click OK to save the new template. This will ensure that the changes take effect the next time they generate a toString method. Fun fact, did you know that the toString method is often the first method you override in Java? It's a great way to get to know your objects better. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative approach is to add a custom template for the toString method instead of changing the default one. To do this, first press Alt plus Insert or go to Code and select Generate, then choose toString from the menu. This opens a dialog box. Next, click on the Settings button in the top right corner of the dialog. This will open another dialog with two tabs, Settings and Templates. Select the Templates tab to view the template options. Here, you can use the plus sign in the top left corner to define your own custom template. Here's that quick tip I promised. Once you've customized your toString method, consider using it in your debugging process. It can save you time and make your output clearer. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the template for the toString method in Android Studio. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your coding experience.